The price of Alice is going to do very well in the next coming few days, and we are about to continue pumping towards the upside, and we're most likely going to end up going to about $20 in the next coming few days and weeks. So obviously we had some very dramatic situations where the prices were kind of very volatile, but volatility is our friend, and it is needed in order for the markets to do very well. In today's episode, we are also going to talk about the price of Bitcoin, because finally the price of Bitcoin is $40,000, and I have always been preaching to you guys for the past 1 month that the price was going to reach $41,000, and alas, we are here. We are finally here. So congratulations to everybody that took my trades, and everybody that just stuck around and you didn't really get lost in the sauce. I'm so grateful and so happy to have you guys, and I'm very happy that you are able to witness the power of technical analysis. So that wasn't really witchcraft or voodoo, that was pure mathematics. So whatever you do, please believe in mathematics and probabilities. So anyway, let's talk about Alice one more time, because I have like a lot of exciting stuff for you. And as you can see right now, the price is actually beginning to do very well, and due to the fact that Bitcoin, because everything is directly correlated. All right, Bitcoin has been doing very well, it's been pumping, and now we're obviously going to continue sort of going to this particular level, because we are about to break this particular threshold. So I've always been talking about, the BTC range, the blueprint, and what you need to do, right? So basically we are back on top of this particular range, which is very, very important and very much needed in order for the Wyckoff schematic to sort of play out. So let's take a look at the Wyckoff accumulation schematic, because it really gives us like some broader understanding of what is happening, because sometimes it's very easy to get distracted with the price action, especially when the prices are ranging. So if you can see this particular image, if only it can end up loading. As you can see, right, we are absolutely playing perfectly to the way that the schematic is supposed to go. So we obviously had a spring, and I'm really inclined to believe that this particular market action right over here, I think we can call it a spring, because it really sort of just kept on pumping, and then we are at this particular top level of the range, as you can see right over here. So what is most likely going to happen is we're going to break out of this particular range, and this is one of the reasons why I really believe that the price of Bitcoin is going to break above $41,000, and we're most likely going to go to $43,000, because we have to sort of punish a lot of traders, because there's a lot of liquidity here. There's a lot of liquidity at $41,000, and you guys already know the game. You guys already know how market makers usually take advantage of retail traders, and how they basically get to make a whole lot of money from your negligence. So this is one of the reasons why you should always thrive to acquire more knowledge. Like the more knowledge you get, the easier it's going to be for you to make money. This not only applies with regards to trading, this just is a basic principle for life. Always strive to shorten the learning curve and always understand what is happening, so that you can avoid the learning cave. So now that you guys already understand what is going to happen, right? Now that we understand the fact that the liquidity has to be sort of penetrated through and it has to be broken, then we do understand that the price is going to continue pumping without any major retracement. There isn't going to be like a very dramatic retracement until this particular Wyckoff schematic plays out. Okay, so we are most likely going to go above this particular range as far as Bitcoin is concerned. So we're going to end up going close to about $43,000, because this is the top part of the range that has to be sort of tested in terms of the liquidity. Okay, so 43,000 is only a 3% price move from our current price. Okay, it's about a 5 to 10% maximum. Okay, so it's a very minute target as far as Bitcoin is concerned. So what's going to happen is all the people who were shorting, all the people who had been trapped as far as shorting this particular market is, because I know a lot of you are shorting, a lot of you are really caught up in shorting, so I don't even know why you are shorting the markets at this particular moment. So there's going to be like massive major pain, and a lot of them have got their stop losses right around this particular threshold. So in order for us to like inflict a lot of pain to them, right, we need to take the price a little bit higher so that there can be a short squeeze. So now that you guys understand the game plan, right, you guys already know the blueprint. You already know that Bitcoin is going to go to 43,000 US dollars, and it's probably going to end up pumping. What is going to happen to a lot of alternative cryptocurrencies such as Alice? Alice is going to continue pumping. So as you can see right now, the price is starting to do very well. And of course, we had like a very volatile morning today, because we saw the price kind of drop to about $12.58, and we recently just started pumping. So you guys already know the game. Once you identify a coin which is very powerful, all you gotta do is just flip it. Okay, you don't really have to overthink. Just identify a powerful investment, a powerful project. In this particular case, right, we identified Alice, and all we have to do is play the tops and the bottoms and just basically get to make a whole lot of money. So just like I told you, right, this is a bearish slug which is going to continue pumping towards the upside, and our next target is going to be between $16 to about $18. So this is my price prediction. Of course, let's also talk about the bearish narrative as well, because it's very important for us to like not be naive and look at both scenarios, the bullish part and the bearish part. So let's say, for example, we have like a black swan event, right, where we end up slightly correcting. I am expecting the price to kind of drop to about $11 to about $10. Okay, this could be like a very good re-entry level, and we could really end up sort of finding support, especially at this particular level. Okay, $11.82 all the way down to this particular level, right? This is a potential buyback zone. Okay, so we're probably going to stay on top of the game, and I'm going to be updating you as things unfold in real time. The other thing that I really wanted to bring to your attention is this particular situation. Okay, it's not really an ideal situation. It is some sort of swing failure pattern. Okay, so we need to overwrite this particular market action because it's not really that ideal. Let's say, for example, we have candles right over here, right, and then we kind of break the resistance, but we end up closing lower on the body. So it's called a swing failure pattern, and this is happening like on the 12 hours. So for example, if we had to have like a little bit of a retracement, I wouldn't be mad, I wouldn't be upset, because we obviously had a very good, amazing week this particular week. We did make a whole lot of money, so congratulations to everybody that took that particular trade. So if we end up retracing and if the prices drop a little bit, please do not worry, just be grateful, because gratitude brings in a whole lot of blessings, so please always remember to have gratitude and always look at your blessings. So this particular week was absolutely crazy, and we hope to do better, and we're just going to be doing some more crazy stuff as far as trading is concerned. So what am I saying? Okay, so if you had to take one particular point from this particular episode, is everything is absolutely bullish. The price of Bitcoin is going to go to about 43,000 US dollars, because we need to have a short squeeze and we need to grab the liquidity above this particular threshold. Okay, since we understand that Bitcoin is going to continue pumping, right, it still has some more gas left in the tank, right, then that really means that even altcoins are going to do very well. And this is where Alice comes in, and this is why I am projecting the price of Alice to keep on pumping and going to about 16 to about $18. I mean, ultimately, you guys already know my prediction. I really hope it's going to go to about $50 by the end of the year, but we're just going to take it one step at a time because we just don't want to wishfully think about stuff, because we are smarter, we are better, and we're not just going to be wishing on things. We're going to be re-evaluating every situation, and we're just going to be saying what's going to be happening as we get more and more data. So right about now, as we are talking, the price is absolutely pumping. So the next target is about $16 to $18. Hopefully we're going to reach $20 in the next I don't know, 48 to about 96 hours. Let's keep our fingers crossed, and I'm going to be here to give you these daily updates. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x, and always feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because literally I help you make a lot of money for free. But I have a proposal for you, right? But first of all, I have to give you the value, and I have to make you some money so that you get to trust me. Then I'm going to say you're a product. So don't think everything is for free. Okay, so enough talking for now. I'm probably going to talk to you in a little bit, I mean like in a few hours from now, because I'm still going to give you some updates as far as the trades are concerned. So talk to you a little bit later. Have a great time, be awesome. Remember, practice proper risk management, and yeah, talk to you soon. Bye.